Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to pay with PayPal in store. Tap, scan, or swipe. All methods update in 2025. So discover multiple ways to pay using your PayPal funds. So here, let's dive right into it. So the advantage of using PayPal in store, fast and secure checkout process transaction instantly without the need for physical cash or traditional bank cards, flexible fund source, seamlessly drawn from your PayPal balance, linked bank accounts or stored credit slash debit cards, rewards and cashback, maximize savings by using the PayPal digital debit or cashback MasterCard or eligible purchases, integrated pay later options, um, access flexible financing choice directly at the point of sale for large purchase. So method one, PayPal digital, PayPal debit Mastercard. So your everyday spending solution, universal acceptance. Use it anywhere. Anywhere Mastercard is accepted globally, both in stores and online. Simple transactions, swipe, tap, or insert. It functions exactly like a regular debit card. Instant access funds are drawn immediately from your primary PayPal balance. Maximize rewards. Earn up to 5% cashback in your selected spending category, up to $1,000 per month in purchase. Method number two, PayPal QR code payments. Scan the QR code, then confirm the details, and then complete the transaction. That's all you need to do. So, and a quick tip for you guys, this method does not require card required a card or NFC terminal. It is widely supported by popular POS system including Clover, Lightspeed, and PayPal Zettel. So there you go. Here, method number three, NFC payments via Google Pay. Android only, not for iOS, but leverage the speed of contactless payment by integrating your PayPal account with your Google Pay. How it works, link your PayPal account directly to Google Pay wallet. Tap to pay. Hold your Android phone near any contactless NFC terminal. Funding source, the transaction is funded directly by your PayPal balance or choosing link source. Broad acceptance works seamlessly at any retail accepting contactless MasterCard payments. Method number four, utilizing PayPal via Curve Wallet. Unified digital wallet. Link your PayPal account to the Curve Wallet app and contactless access. Add the Curve card to Apple app or Google Play to enable contactless payment using your PayPal funds and in-store PayPal credit. Gain access to PayPal credit features like 0% interest for 4 months on purchase of $99 plus directly at the register, and enhanced security. Curve acts as a secure layer, masking your actual card details from merchants during transaction. Here we have the optimizing your in-store payment preference. So here, as you can see right here, I made a graph. So on the left, on the PayPal website, and on the right, that's on the PayPal mobile app. As you see on PayPal app, and go to the settings for the mobile app. And when you're using the desktop, that's at paypal.com and then click settings. So ensure a smooth checkout experience by setting your default in-store payment methods before you stop. So that's how you go there. Then here, where can you use PayPal in stores? Retail giants. PayPal methods are accepted by major national retailers, including Walmart, Target, Best Buy, and Home Depot. Everyday essential. The method work at most restaurants, cafe, gas station, and grocery stores where Mastercard or contactless payment is accepted. Identification: always look for the official PayPal logo, Mastercard symbol, or ask the cashier about the QR or card acceptance. Growing adoption, merchants' acceptance of PayPal QR codes and general contactless payment is increasing rapidly across all sectors and even on across all countries. Security and convenience highlights. So data protection. All transactions are secured and encrypted via PayPal Advanced Protection platforms. Instant confirmation. Receive immediate payment verification on your mobile device for peace of mind. And card management service like Curve allow you to instantly lock and unlock all link card via the app. you have your declutter wallet. Minimize the need to carry multiple physical cards or large amount of cash. Lost cards replacement. Lost your PayPal debit card. Initiate a replacement easily to the PayPal app. For the last guys, tap, scan, or swipe. Smarter shopping. Get the app. After getting the app, ensure the app is updated and then choose your method. Select the option that suits your needs, debit card, QR code, NFC via Google or Curve Wallet, and then enjoy security. Experience secure, fast, and flexible payments wherever MasterCard is accepted globally. Shop smarter. Simplify your checkout process and manage your funds effectively, whether you're tapping, scanning, or swiping. So there you go, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions about the PayPal payments method, just type it in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.